What is cloud computing? Imagine you don't have a big backyard, so instead of owning a trampoline, you go to a park where there's one you can use on sunny days. That's kind of like cloud computing. Here's the scoop. Instead of keeping things on your own computer, the backyard, you store them online, where big companies like Google or Amazon have massive digital spaces, like the park. We call this the cloud. You access them through the internet, just like you walk to the park. No need to have everything on your personal device. You pay for what you use, like with the trampoline. Need more storage? Rent more space. Need a powerful computer for a few hours? You can rent one online. It's convenient and flexible, just like the park. You don't have to maintain the trampoline, and you can jump anytime. Things you can do in the cloud. Store your files and photos, like keeping a treasure chest in the park. Run programs and software, like using the park's swings instead of buying your own. Build websites and apps, like setting up a lemonade stand without needing your own stand. Work on documents with others, like playing tag with friends in the park. Benefits of the cloud. Saves money. You don't need to buy expensive hardware. Makes things accessible. You can access your stuff from anywhere with an internet connection. Keeps things secure. Big companies have better security than most home computers. You can add more resources as you need them. So, cloud computing is basically renting digital space and resources online, instead of having them cluttering up your own device. It's like a giant playground for your digital needs, making things easier and more accessible. Hope this explanation helps. Feel free to ask if you have any more questions.